Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the BMW key fob. First, let's flip to the back side, press the release button, and remove the key. If we look at the side of the key fob, there is another hole where you could stick the key into. Just push the key in it, pry towards the back side, and the battery cover will pop open. Now take the battery cap, stick one end into the open, and pry out the battery. Put the new one in and make sure you follow the same polarity. Replace the cover. Replace the key, and you're all set. One thing to note is that different key fob models may use different batteries. So before ordering the new battery, make sure you double check which one came in your key fob. And don't make the same mistake I did. And that's it. Thanks for watching.